Previously on the Bartender.
If you take on this assignment again, we're done.
Babe, don't do this.
The choice is yours.
You know the evening wasn't supposed to end like this though.
Yeah, no. But you have a decision to make.
It's about... I don't expect you to forgive me. But... I'm at your mercy right now. But I definitely understand if you feel the need to kill me. I wouldn't blame it.
What happened? TV said when him did at the studio and him go outside and look at it and him come back and say, I shot him get shot?
Yeah, them say him get one shot, but it close to him heart.
I feel like I can't do this.
What?
Who?
What do you mean by? So Carlton not dead?
Dead? What are not talking about? Come last.
Hello, Simone.
Marcus?
Where's my brother?
I think your brother has seen him kill one of my friend them, him shoot one, him take one, and him kidnap me and have me yes with him.
Careful, in a Simone. Carlton is my little brother. I'm going to use the last dollar I have to defend him.
Me dig a bullet out of your brother neck before you and your doctor friend reach here. Me save him life. So careful with your threats.
Hold on there. So if him a come off at all we were involved, so that means
Dr. Peter, please hurry, we're losing the patient.
Right, you can't go in.
Yeah, mommy.
Slim as the boat?
Who I know?
Me want know.
Never want.
Is either you go get Slimmers or I'm gonna get a warrant. So where's Slimmers then?
Tell her say she not there. We see her godmother there right now. She don't want to talk to nobody.
Shabby, from morning I see your phone ring and you not answer. How are?
Sandra, mother.
You ready to talk to she yet, man?
So Shabby, it's a proper ass and shit.
Charmian, 5 deal that are wicked.
I lie.
I tell you what I say.
You should have been there.
Hey.
I must see if your mother call you about.
That woman there. I feel like that woman that teach her daughter in a child yet. She not stop calling me for this.
Yo, come and pack out the things in the shop here, man.
Hey, sexy.
Morning, handsome. Hungry?
Starving.
See breakfast there.
So there's a food we want.
What else you could have want? You didn't get enough last night.
Well, I'll do it some more.
And I could do with some rest. We've been at it for the whole week, you know.
There's something bad that.
Listen to me. Come eat your breakfast.
Well, even the smell of your cooking turn me on.
You know, stop.
No.
You know, instead of workman, they come today, come put up the shelves in the bar.
Oh, so you need money?
No.
No, that's weird.
White weird.
Which wife you would know refuse her husband money?
One that has her own money.
Well, I realize that from the frame of the bar go, you not asking no money. Where you get money from?
My personal money. Plus when I get extra from you.
Simone, I tell you don't use your personal money.
Listen, you see when I spend my own money, I feel like an investment. I make my own investment.
Okay, Miss Businesswoman.
Yes. I'm going to pay the lights and the water bill.
Hold on now, man. What? You pay the light and water?
Yes. But I go on about that though.
No problem.
With interest.
Okay.
You wake up. How you feel?
Dizzy.
You take the painkiller?
Yeah.
I have some juice for you. Some fruit juice.
thanks, but the food not there.
Drink the juice. Because you can't do no chewing now. You got to aggravate the wound.
What?
Nothing. We just had up on the big bad carton boys. Aggressive businessman. Always ready to defend your livelihood at all costs. Now you're reduced to a poor thing with conscience. From long time you gonna be pain, you know. Remember the time when you have gas, when you feel sick, you go dead.
You remember that?
Can't forget that.
God. Simone not dead.
Carlton, stop worrying so. You're not dead.
Baby, that pain that make me feel like I got blackout. Look up, carry me go to doctor now, please.
You didn't need to go to doctor.
Simone, you see, I'm dead. The wheel dead at the bottom drawer. I remember, I don't want a big funeral. Make them cremate my body. Then I laugh.
Carlton, baby, you're not going to die. Just drink some of this tea now, please.
You can't help me. Don't carry me go to the doctor.
Alright, make go carry go doctor, but drink some of the ginger tea first, please. Come, drink some.
Oh, God. Boy. Boy. Woo! Did I do?
What me do? What the ginger tea do?
I saw Justin, man.
You're just extra. I always think you're good dead.
But I feel like I'm not dead. No, man, I can't manage gas pain. I feel much better now.
So you see, next time I say drink the tea, just drink the tea.
Alright.
I eat on time.
Okay, baby.
Carlton, can you get my phone now, please?
I'm gonna get your phone already.
I want my phone.
Everything in your phone, in another phone. All the contacts, everything. Just look for the app with a secret vault. And the password is same.
Sim.
You that.
Alright, get some rest.
Babes, you know, I don't think we really have enough evidence to build a case against this man.
I don't think so. I think we can build a case and put this guy away. Listen, attempted murder on Kyle, mask with Browning, Debbie, fingerprint. You need more than that?
But babes, remember, you know, you weren't even supposed to be investigating that case. And from what you're telling me, the main witness is in a coma.
Aaron, listen. I want Carlton Wallace. Murder, attempted murder, anything you can get to build this case, build it. You don't worry about Kyle. By the time we're ready for trial, he'll be awake and ready to testify.
Babes, you know how I win cases? Think like the defense when building the case and pick it apart as the prosecution. Exactly.
Aaron, this man has my best friend somewhere where I don't know. I don't want her to become a next statistic. So listen, anything at all,
Angie, Angie, can we talk about something else? Just focus on the lunch and I could just talk about something else. It's a lunch day.
What you want to talk about, Aaron?
Well, maybe the fact that you look so beautiful. And I mean, this wig. Is that your new look?
Maybe. You like it?
Like it's an understatement.
Your house or my house?
I don't know. Where do you feel like to go?
Hold on.
Hey, Five.
Hey, boo-boos.
Because I know how it feel for your friend just missing and you're not hearing nothing.
Right now, we need some time to myself. I can't tell you what I'm doing right now.
But just know, say I'm alright. We just want to stay for the good a little.
Every now and then, we'll reach out. As soon as we're ready,
we'll link up again.
I can't bet you're not good right now.
Everything alright?
Yeah, let's go.
Miss Ferguson, good evening. Dr. Cox, could you come with me, please? Miss Ferguson, it's a very good thing Kyle was transferred here, because his condition is really, really serious.
Doc, when he pass out with them same flat line, I still really lose him.
Well, Miss Ferguson is still in a coma. The blood vessel lacerations proved quite challenging to repair because of the trajectory of the bullet. Well, thankfully we were able to achieve hemathosis and stop the bleeding. We are hopeful that the sutures will remain in light of the medications I mentioned before.
So, Doc, you don't know when he's going to come out of the coma?
Miss Ferguson, it's really, really hard to say. Coma can last for days or even years. As it is now, we're doing the best we can.
Please, doctor, I can't lose him. Just do the best way you can.
Yo, I want to go on.
What do you want?
I just feel like I something really wrong in the wrong time.
Why you so bad?
Just feel intense. I'm not that artist intensely.
Baby, you know, easy, you know.
But seriously, babes, it just feel like when a woman do something wrong and she just want to give her man some makeup sex. Oh, wait, do?
Do?
I don't do nothing. What do you say? Round 2.
So, baby, you know, you're not from a woman.
I hear say your big nose, big forehead girl put her hand for my daughter. And the last time I checked is one mother she have.
And that you tell Miss Leonie?
Yes, that is what she tell me. She tell me say she push her down and thump her in her face. Me pick the face swell up, you know.
So she not tell her what she do?
What she could and do for make this like a rolling car feel like say she can put her hand on her, eh?
Maybe you need to ask her.
Winston, listen to me. The only thing my daughter do is take up herself and deal with the likes of you. No matter how me want her. And now because of you, she in a pain. But tell that little big head, big forehead girl say if I ever come at all, go and see her. It not go pretty.
You see this?
What that?
Just something about me. Me have a strange feeling say something bad happen to good, you know. But for some reason it don't really bother me. It not worry you? Something not worry me, you know, but I know that.
I'm just glad for no say you're alright.
Alright. So somebody happened to me?
No, I mean, I just realize how I really love you.
So come show me again, no?
And this she there do. You know say that how be worker. Anything she get, and that she deserve.
It's lie you're telling about Sandra. Sandra would have never do that.
Miss Leonie, I still have a little bit of respect for you, know, even though you not rate me. So watch your style. You see your daughter come in my space, come violate me, wicked. Just know this. Me don't have nothing to do with she, nor you. Again.
Sandra is no Obia worker. Nobody in our family never indulge in them something they get. Sandra never push no opinion and no deli. Make no man do what she want. Out of that.
Miss Leonie.
Yes, Winston.
Me never tell you say Sandra use no pin in the deli. So how you know that?
Who we call her back? You hear Winston? How we call?
Cha. Some things you get yourself caught in, I understand.